Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of MathBird, and today we will be learning how to properly use the body and head tag. This is part 2 of the series, so make sure you stick around for more episodes. So first of all, let's open up our website by clicking Alt-P as you have learned in the last episode. Right now is our beautiful empty website that's completely white screen and the document with a default picture right here. We will be changing that in future episodes, but for now, let's just change the document to something that we would actually like. Because I still don't have any ideas on what to do, we temporarily will be calling it project.html, but you may call it whatever you want. So now that we have saved and go back here, if we refresh, that will be project.html. Now, first, let's organize our body tag. The body tag is always organized into many tags, subtags. We will only be using a few as this is a very simple website. So let's begin with header. The header is where the top information will go, like the titles and everything. Then we're gonna do the main. Oopsies, I accidentally changed the language settings on that one. Main is where the most important information is gonna be. After that, we will be using the article tag. That's where we're gonna create the text information for the website. And finally, the footer tag. The footer tag is where we're gonna put our copyright symbols and lesser important information. Fun fact, unlike real life objects where you need to get a patent for it, in HTML, to copyright a website, all you need to do is put the copyright symbol on it. That's it. There will be a lot more subtags that go in the body, but for now we will be using these tags. So let's just show you how they look like. So in the header, we're gonna type in, this is header. Sorry for the plane in the background, I can't control that. This is the main. This is the article. And this is the footer. So if we format that and save, I'm gonna see how it looks like. So the header goes here. This is the main, this is the article, and this is the footer. We will be learning how to make it nicer later on, but for now, let's focus on other stuff. For example, putting all of this into a center tag. Now usually I don't put the footer into a center tag because usually the copyright symbol just hangs out over here. So we are gonna put everything else in a center tag. We're gonna go right here, center, and then we're gonna copy this, Control C, delete, and then put it at the end of article, Control V. Let's format it, and now everything except the footer is centered in the middle of the page. We will also be learning how to create other tags soon. So let's see here. What can we do with this empty website so far? Let's learn about the H tags while we're at it. We're gonna put this in the main. So this will be a project. So today we're just gonna be learning, since I still don't have any ideas on what to do because I haven't posted the last video yet. We're gonna be learning about points and headers right now. So there's 6 headers starting with H6, header 6. And now it goes all the way to header 1. And I know what you may be thinking, that H6 is the biggest one, but it's quite frankly the opposite. H6 is so small that it's smaller than the default text. For example, if we type in this is header 6, you'll notice that it's absolutely eensy weensy tiny. Look at that little guy. But well, we can change it to an H1, and let me show you how all of the tags look like. I'll start with H1, then I'm gonna go over here to H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 again. And I know that I could have simply copy pasted it and changed the number, but I want to take stuff slow and easy so people can consume all of the information in a slow learning environment. So let's see how that looks like. Oh yeah, it's empty, so there's no text. Let's fill that up. So there are 6 types of headers. So let's see how that looks like. We're gonna see the gradual decrease in the size of the text. There we go, look. There are 6 types of, oopsies, I made that inside of the tag. See that again? Of headers. And now you could, if this was a custom website, or for example a website about vision, you could use this to your advantage and create a little vision chart like the ones you see in doctors' offices. Now we will be learning about the list tag. So we'll be learning about ordered and unordered list. So ordered list will be OL for ordered list. And we are going to type in 3 LI points, which is list point. Let's just copy that. Bam, bam. So this is how a list tag will look like. I'm just going to type in some random text right here. No need to be fancy. And you'll see this is an ordered list, so it'll be 1, 2, and 3. And since this is technically identified as a point, you cannot highlight it unless you do other things to make it highlightable. Then, if we change the OL to a UL, which is an unordered list, you will see, oopsies, let's save that, and that will turn into points. That is it for today. I'm sorry we couldn't do much fun stuff today, but that I still don't have any ideas on what to do. So if we have any ideas on what we can do, we can always comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.